what can happen when you stop trip? It can let you stop the trip early than the time they're giving, or they can tell you no, it's not time yet, you're just gonna wait. Let's click stop trip to see what's gonna happen. After click stop trip, this is what they say. They say it's a little bit early. Pickup time is 2:45 and my current time is 2:39. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wait 6 minutes, and after I'm gonna come back. Okay, after waiting 6 minutes, guys, they finally let me in. This order is already marked waiting, so that means it's just waiting for me to go ahead, pick up a spot, and then confirm arrival. I'm just gonna slide here. After slide confirm arrival, it's gonna take me to select a parking spot. So I'm just gonna click select, and then I'm in spot 2. I'm just gonna click spot 2 here. If you're in spot 1, spot 3, it's up to you to choose whatever spot you want, and you take it from the app. After I choose my spot, I'm just gonna click save, and it's gonna take me right here. Before you click code confirm, you want to make sure a Walmart associate come to you and ask for your code. Don't click code confirm yet if no one come to you ask for your code. Okay, remember, after you give a Walmart associate the code, the 2580, you're just gonna click code confirm, and after that they're gonna bring your order to you, and this is where you're gonna go ahead, scan each label. So, and right here you're gonna see the order number, and here everything here. So one thing you want to focus is the 4th digit. You see 060 0939. This is one you're gonna see in the receipt. So this is the one you want to focus every time you're going to deliver the order, because you are 2 different customers. You want to make sure this number match with the customer you're going to deliver, and then you're gonna click stop scanning. After scanning all the item, you're just gonna click done scanning. So it's gonna ask you, have you checked for missing labels, and you're gonna click confirm. So what you're gonna do, if everything already scanning, so there is any problem here, you're just gonna click confirm. Before you slide and complete pickup, you want to make sure you don't have any missing item. To do that, you're just gonna click this customer first one right here. You say you got 4 items, 5 quantity. That's meaning one of the item he ordered them twice. That's why 5 quantity. And you can see the second customer, he got 12 items. So check to see if you got the all items. You're gonna click the first customer, it's gonna show you the item, and you're gonna go to the bag and you check the bag to see if they match with the items. If everything match with the items and there is no missing item, you check everything. So you're just gonna go ahead, slide complete pickup. When you slide in complete pickup, you're gonna see here they're gonna give you the first drop off. That's the first customer you're gonna do. You're just gonna slide start now. You're gonna click navigator to get to the customer house. When you get to the customer house, you're just gonna click confirm arrival. When you click confirm arrival, you're gonna give you option to start scanning the items. I'm gonna click start scan. After you finish scanning, you're gonna slide done scanning, and now it's gonna say if you are here, you're just gonna click yes, I am here. Now where the drop off note, sometimes people keep note, tell you to go to the back door, go to the side door. Make sure you pay attention about that. If there is no note, that's when you're just gonna go drop it in the front door. What you're gonna do, you're gonna click got it. After you click the front door, you're just gonna click submit, and where you say proof of delivery, you're gonna just take a picture. When you take a photo, make sure the customer house number show up in the picture. So that's what truck driver required to do when you delivery. And after that, you're just gonna complete drop off. After complete drop off, they're gonna ask you a few questions, or as your overall experience at the start. If you want to, you can just click skip. Okay, it's up to you, but for the tutorial I'm just gonna show you what you can expect. And the next question, what type of address was it? It was an house. Just gonna click next, and they say was an access code needed. You're just gonna click no and click submit. This is easy to do, and after that you're gonna do the same thing. And for the second order, you're just gonna start. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video. Peace.